Good night, teacher and committance. This is my alter ego, Big José Cadavid. Monday, July 8, 2019. Hello, my name is José Cadavid. I work at San Martin University. At night, I am a simple man of the house, and at the day, I become a superhero that solves the problems of many students. I have made a program to give quick solutions to the problems of the students. I have never failed. It is the question of serving team and equality, and with the same enthusiasm. I have traveled to several cities where operates the university in the country: Medellin, Ibagué, Cartagena, Montería. It's good money meet people. I not have traveled to Caribbean headquarters. I would like to, but I know most of team, and there are wonderful people in all of team. I am has power helping students to obtain their professional degree, review their graduation folders. I want the Back University, many students, committee teachers, and superhero employers. It's a good cause. My inner hero has the obligation to take my son forward and take care of my wife. He has no fear of facing the challenge that life put before. In the future, after saving humanity from a terrible mediocrity, I want to see my professional son retire, take care of my grandchildren, and grow with my wife. Thank you.